What's up, guys? We're heading to Nagoya now.
名古屋でね、三重で三重。
三重か。マジ？三重に変わったの？
そう。
Oh yeah, I'm DKR T Taipei. Hi, new member.
あれ見たことないちゃんと。
覗き込まないかな、みたいに。
So now we just arrived at, what was it called?
River?
What was it called?
So.
Umigame something.
Umigame is a
Umigame something.
sea turtle.
And
Sea turtle park.
park, yeah. Park.
Yeah.
Umigame Park.
There's a lot of
Oh shit. And
you don't want to get bite.
there's a river right here.
Dope ass river.
What?
Dope ass river.
Dope ass river?
Dope ass river.
Dope ass river?
I'm just kidding. It's just a river.
What's up, bro?
What's up, bro? I just woke up 30 minutes ago.
What you got? What you got?
Astronaut. This is my boy. Yeah. Tiny boy. Alright, so guys, we are here in what is called the falls name? What's that falls name? I don't know, but there you go, the falls. So amazing.
Look at the.
We're going down, and we're gonna like watch the waterfall more closer. So excited. Let's go, come on.
Okay, go for it. Go. Really? It's over? I guess we have another place to go.
Coming up next.
Oh my god, they got deal here. Now we're here and we're going to right there. So building. Oh, it's raining.
Why is it raining? It's sunny.
Yeah,
And it's raining.
kind of sunny.
Oh, there's a cloud.
It's cloudy.
Next point, Ise Shrine. Next
Ise
point
Shrine.
is Ise Shrine. Let's go.
6文字。つまりそれは悪魔の数字。
フリーメイソンが関係してるんだよね。あれですね、さっきここまで来ちゃったよ。結論が早い。
I am who I'm meant to be. I am who I'm meant to be. Over and out again. My future needed clarity, so I could see how you.
You got it.
100% orange juice.
How's it?
So delicious.
You like it? You like it?
I haven't drank yet.
Then drink it.
Delicious. Buono. Come on, man. Tasty.
We finally made it to the entrance.
Minutes later. The next day.